So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you if your spatial or 3D wallpaper is not working on your lock screen. Now there might be multiple issues with that. For example, the most common reason is when people have recently switched to iOS26 from iOS18, they were trying to convert their old wallpaper to this spatial effects. Now to get this effect, all you need to do is to just simply add a new wallpaper. Just simply hit add button and start by a new wallpaper, and then you'll easily able to see that particular switch. For example, if I added this wallpaper, now when I press and hold this, hit customize, and here you'll see this option of so here on this option you'll see the spatial option, and it will take some time to analyze it, and it will start working if your battery saver is not on, and it will definitely work for you. Just simply create a start by new wallpaper and make sure to turn off battery saver. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.